Assalamu alaikum. What we are going to make today is chicken tikka. My children just love chicken tikka that we make at home. The difference between a regular chicken tikka and this one is that we are going to make it in the oven, not in the barbecue. So let's start. I have a big family, so I always cook in bulk. What we are going to do, the recipe I'm going to tell you is for 2 chickens, but what you can do, you can half it for the quantity of 1. First thing you're going to do, you're going to turn on the oven. If you're going to make it immediately, you turn on the oven now and then you start preparing. And if you're not going to make it immediately, you're going to leave it for marination overnight, then you don't need to turn on the oven. Second thing, you need 2 kg chicken, 2 chickens actually. I have 2 chickens over here, 1100 grams each, and they have been cut into 6 pieces. This is your choice. You want it cut into 8 pieces, 6 pieces, or you would like it as the original chicken tikka parts that are 1 chicken cut into 4 pieces. So what I have each chicken cut into 6 pieces. I have 2 chickens. Each chicken's weight is 1100 grams. After receiving it, I washed it and I cut it like this. It's cut like that. All the pieces, you can see that this is the arm. I cut it, and now I'm going to put it in the bowl. You can do it in 2 ways. You can apply the ingredients or the masala in 2 ways. Either you do it over here in the bowl and then you place it in a bag, because I will be leaving it overnight for the marination, and or I can directly put it in the bag. So what do? I am going to put this bag, put all the chicken pieces over here. Everything gone inside. Move this. First thing what I'm going to do is half a cup of oil. If you have 1 chicken, you will put quarter cup of cooking oil. But I have 2 chickens, so I'll be putting half a cup of oil. That gone in. Basically, it's quarter cup for each chicken piece. So if you're making 3, you'll have a quarter more, means 3 by 4 cups. Second thing you're going to do is you're going to put in lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And then comes the time for masala. Masala, we have all these masalas over here. We have 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste gone in. And 2 tablespoons of meat tenderizer. You can use papaya paste or meat tenderizer. Meat tenderizer is easily available to me, so I just use meat tenderizer. It just makes the chicken more moist, very soft, all that. After that, you put around 2.5 tablespoons of salt. That's your choice. How much salt do you like? This is for 2 chicken. You can half the quantity. Then comes chili, red chili. That would be, for me, it's 2 tablespoons because I have 2 chicken. You can use for 1, it would be 1 tablespoon. Then comes dhania powder, is 1 plus 2, 2 teaspoons. Comes jeera powder, 2 teaspoons. Garam masala powder, 2 teaspoons. Jeera powder, 2 teaspoons. You can change the masala quantity according to your needs. Then comes chaat masala. And what I have, if you see over here what I have, you can even add the kuti huई lal mirch, half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon, like that. So masale, mirche is according to your, red chili is according to your choice. So done with the chaat masala. That's done. That's it. It's easier if you just count up all the ingredients, put them in one place, and then pour them in one by one. Next thing is, which is very important over here for chicken tikka, is haldi powder, turmeric powder. And turmeric powder would be half a teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of, you can see, food coloring, orange or yellow food coloring. That's done. See that? All of it is inside, no mess around. Once that's done, just rub it a little bit, and then after that, put half a cup of dahi, yogurt. If you have one chicken, choti family, one chicken, put a quarter cup of yogurt. For me, it's a big one, so I double the quantity. There it is, all of it. You can just leave it in the bowl and mix it. Doesn't make any difference. I'm just avoiding any mess. That's why you see that there is a sheet on my shelf, so there is no mess around. I'm just closing this bag so I can mix it up easily. What I do, my life is much easier in this way. What I do, I bring the chicken in bulk, put masala on it, all the ingredient of chicken tikka, prepare it and leave it in the freezer. Whenever I need it, I take it out and there it is. I don't need to prepare the marination or leave it overnight or anything like that. That's easier for me. And of course, children, with the family of children, it's their choice. So they just suddenly would ask you to make something, and then what do I do? So there it is. This is ready. Leave it overnight. You want to make it immediately, you can make it immediately too. But I prefer making it leaving it overnight, or like I do, I make it, prepare it. I prepare 3-4 batches and put them in the freezer, and whenever I need it, I make it. Okay, the chicken has been marinated overnight. It's all ready, and before I place it in the oven, there's one more thing I would like to tell you that I saw in one of the tutorials. Let me tell you one thing, none of my recipes are my own invention. I watch a lot of chicken tikka recipes, lots of different recipes, and then I take the best of it and I make changes according to what is available with me and what's easy for me and what's liked by me. So like any other cooking channel. So what we have, the chicken is ready. Before I place this in the dish that I have lined, I've lined this dish. It's a big dish, this is enough for it. Before that, what I've done, I have placed, here I'm going to place my chicken tikka. This is my place for chicken tikka. But before it, there are 2 trays in the oven, remember that. So this tray, what I've done, I put water in it, any heat resistant pan, anything like that. I have an aluminum pan for my pizza, I put water in it and put it under it. What will happen? It will make my chicken tikka very moist. So now let's go for the dishes, baking time. Let's see. So what I have over here, I have all these pieces and I'm going to spread them out. There it is. You can see that this was not the one that I marinated just now. This was already in marination overnight. The one I marinated just now, I placed it in my freezer. Whenever I need it next time, I'll simply take it out and I'll make it ready to serve. 1 hour in baking only, and then that's it. See this? That's it. This is ready. What we are going to do now, we are going to place it in the oven. You can see my oven is also ready. It's preheated and there it goes. I leave it over here for 200 degrees centigrade, and that's around 400, little bit around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I leave it over there for 45 minutes. See you after 45 minutes. Okay, 45 minutes गुजर चुके हैं. What I'm going to do now, मैं इसको खोलूँगी, and you can see over here, chicken is almost ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it side, and then I'm going to turn on the top griller. Top griller tray को it will give you this, it will give it this barbecue space. और ये पानी भी थोड़ा जो है ना वो सूख जाएगा. थोड़ा सा पानी आप देख रहे हैं, ये पानी जो है दिस कैन बी काउंटेड एज मसाला. मेरे बच्चों को बहुत पसंद है, दे लव इट ऑल्दो. बट ये कि अगर आप ना पसंद करें तो यू कैन जस्ट ड्राई इट ऑफ फॉर अ लिटिल बिट मोर. व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू नाउ, आई एम गोइंग टू turn on the top grill. For 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, जहाँ तक मेरी chicken ready हो जाए, and then my chicken is ready. Now 12 minutes have already gone and I'm taking it out and our chicken is ready. If you look at it, you can see that, see the chicken, it's completely just like chicken tikka and it's moist. If I take out one for you, I'll take this one out for you. मैं आपके लिए अलग करके दिखाऊँ आपको, so you can see that it's completely cooked. Now this can be served in two ways. Your chicken is ready, you take out the, if you don't like the sauce, my children love the sauce actually, so I'll always serve it in the main dish. But if you don't like the sauce, you can take out all the chicken pieces, put them aside, decorate them with french fries and serve it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to serve it in the same dish. That's it, and chicken tikka is ready. You can eat it with